People in this clock shop are not quite sure what's happening. And then they realise it's an earthquake. They run out into the bazaar and the clocks on the wall continue to shake. The tremor lasted over a minute. No one was hurt here in one of Rawalpindi's busiest bazaars, just south of the Pakistani capital, Islamabad. It could have been much worse on Monday. But no matter where you look, many of these shops are not insured. Akhtar Ali has been a clock distributor in Pakistan for nearly 40 years. He depends on his shop to support his family and is helped by his sons. But he told me many shop owners are not commercially insured.
The money we would spend on premiums could easily be invested in the business. We get nothing in return for a claim because companies would never pay out for the value of the business or rebuilding the shop.
Generally, a standard insurance policy here includes protection for fire and theft, but natural disasters is an option to be added at the discretion of the customer. There are over 50 insurance companies in Pakistan that offer quake protection. Legally, businesses aren't obliged to insure themselves.
If the government forced businesses to insure themselves and the public saw insurance companies pay out after a disaster, this would encourage everyone to see the benefits of proper, inclusive insurance.
The majority of people affected by the earthquake have no insurance, and earlier this week the Prime Minister announced compensation packages for families of the dead and injured and those that had lost homes, but nothing for businesses. This commercial property was also badly damaged in the earthquake, which happened over 250 kilometres away. The facade is crumbling and there's a real fear that the building may collapse if there's another strong aftershock. It's been cordoned off and guarded by the police, and the structure itself is also not insured. Back in Islamabad, the construction continues next to Akhtar's home. These properties are valued at approximately $500,000, yet he and none of his neighbours have home insurance. As a religious man, he feels his family has been protected in the past and will be in the future. Sahil Rahman, Al Jazeera, Islamabad.